Whether you're a researcher, developer, content creator, business professional, DeepSeek offers a unique blend of power and versatility. It does that, enabling you to unlock new insights. I like that because it uses a reasoning model to optimize workflows and enhance your productivity. All that is good, and it really does that well. So when you look at DeepSeek R1, there's some key advantages to using it. Number one, for instance, what you're going to see is you're going to be looking at something that is open source. And that open source means, hey, it's going to be available to people at a reasonable cost. You're not going to be paying the $20 a month or so that many people are. For many people, that is an issue. It means also there'll be more people attracted to it and more people starting to use this. We see that DeepSeek's open source nature fosters collaboration, that's key, and transparency, enabling users to access and modify the underlying code base. That's really good because you start finding out what's going on inside of it. Also, cost-effective solution. The open source model makes DeepSeek a more cost-effective alternative, particularly for the developers, compared to proprietary AI platforms. This is huge, and it's a big part of what we're looking at with the platform, because what it's going to do is going to enable many more users to get on there and developers to start developing their code at a much lower cost. Well, because of that, guess what happened? We lost over $1 trillion. That's with a T. We used to say billion with a B. Now we're saying trillion with a T in market value this week. That's pretty significant. And I think some of that's going to bounce back, but it's a major shakeup. People going, whoa, we thought we were ahead. Now we've got to step back and really monitor what's going on this to see what's going on and make sure that we're monitoring what is happening there. Also, you've got a versatile and adaptable type of platform. DeepSeek is adaptable architecture, and it allows it to be customized and integrated into various applications and workflows. That's huge. It's really, really important. So as we look at this open source model, here are some things to be aware of. First of all, community driven. That's important because, as we often say at Stark Raving Entrepreneurs, we say this often, none of us is as smart as all of us. That's an old Japanese saying used a lot in Silicon Valley, but it's still true. We need a community. Whatever we're in today, we can't do it alone. No one person can make it by himself or herself, or him or herself. Yeah, himself or herself. But what you want to do is you want to have a group of people. One of the things we do at Stark Raving Entrepreneurs is having a lot of really smart people that are contributing ideas. Oh, I tried this program. Oh, I tried that one. It's really good. This one I tried, not quite as good. Oh, here's a way you can use this tool better, that tool better. All of that is really important. So look at your community-driven model. What you want is DeepSeek, which is thriving on a vibrant community of developers who actively contribute to its development and improvement. That's important. Also, transparent development. That means when somebody changes something, you're going to be able to see it right there. You can say, okay, that's what it was. The open source model allows users to understand the inner workings of DeepSeek and contribute to its evolution. I like that. So people are giving their own perspective, their own ideas of what's working, what is good and what isn't good, how they can change it and what they can do with it. All of this contributes to learning and growing in a really big way. And I think it's something that we want to look at. Also, reduced licensing costs. This is huge. This gives you the ability to get a lot more done with a lot less cost involved. And that gives you open source tools, which typically eliminate licensing fees associated with commercial software. You've got all kinds of good tools there, and that opens up some possibilities. Also, open access. The open source model provides free access to the core functionality of DeepSeek, empowering users without financial limitations. Hey, this is a pretty good deal all the way around when you look at just that aspect of it. We got others coming up later, so stay tuned.